What's up YouTube? This is Styler. In this video I'm going to unbox the HD camcorder Panasonic V250, which is a 2014 model. I got this from my local store in Germany, and in the store I tested this model, which is newer, and the V550, which has a bigger model number but older technology. After I tried both, the V250 clearly had better picture quality and was a lot faster. The only downside is that the LCD on the camera is a bit smaller, but I think I can live with that. I got this camcorder because I realized that my Sony NEX-Z3 is not good enough for video recording in macro mode. And sometimes it's just too slow to focus on the correct object. And I want to offer better videos for my subscribers, so that's why I'm now doing an upgrade on the equipment. So the Panasonic V250 of course records in Full HD and has intelligent 9x zoom and optical 50x zoom. It has NFC enabled Wi-Fi. That means NFC lets you connect a smartphone or tablet to the camcorder in one touch. It is also DLNA certified and has Dolby Digital. It has power O.I.S that helps stabilizing the video and a 28mm wide angle lens. It also supports object tracking. This camera is also able to take stills with 10 megapixels, and it has a 2.7-inch wide touch LCD display. Also the Panasonic image app lets you use a compatible smartphone or tablet as a live view remote controller and operate the camcorder from a distance. It also supports Ustream. It records in AVCHD Progressive, meaning MPEG-4 files. So the reason that I got this model was the image stabilizer and the fact that Panasonic models are able to do crazy macro mode, where I can get all into the lens without losing the focus. I tested some other cameras from Sony in the store, but none of them had the good focus and speed that the Panasonic models had. Okay, let us try to open up the box and see what we have here. This is my first time. I'm going to open it. Here we have the camera, it seems. And then we have all the papers and CDs, manuals, then we have a micro USB cable, then we have HDMI cable, it seems, yeah. Then I also have something like power cord, it seems. We have the wall charger. And last but not least, we have the battery. and here we have the SD card slot. So here we see the AV port. We switch to play or recording mode, the stabilizer, and the Wi-Fi. Here we have the battery switch, we have the power button, the HDMI port, and the micro USB port. And so fast to focus. So right now I'm recording with the image stabilization on and here off. Now it's off. Now it's on. Now it's off. Now it's on. So as you can see, it makes a huge difference. So this was my unboxing of the Panasonic V250. Please subscribe to my channel and like. Until next time, over and out.